You want to see my iPad?
Yeah.
Are your eyes still hurting?
No.
Let me see those eyes. Oh, they're hurting?
No.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna get iPad.
You want to see the iPad?
My bed.
It's your iPad?
My bed.
In your bed?
Yeah.
No.
My miss.
Can you sing me a song first?
My bed.
Okay, if you do Itsy Bitsy Spider, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
I want it.
That's not singing.
Right.
If you sing it, I'll give it to you.
Fancy Friday. My miss.
Your nails? You need them to be polished?
This one.
Oh, you're blowing on the polish? Oh, so it dries?
Where's Zoe?
Zoe? She's sleeping.
She's Zoe.
Should we go wake her up?
Yeah.
How are you going to wake her up?
Yeah.
Are you going to say, wake up? What are you going to say?
Zoe! Zoe! Zoe.
That's what you're going to say?
Yeah.
Are you going to say, Zoe, wake up?
I like this.
Show me.
Sorry.
You'll show me? Okay.
Wait.
You want me to hold that for you?
Mommy.
Yeah, what's the matter? You're wet?
No.
Oof. What are you doing, lazy bones?
Exercise.
You're sleeping? Well, get up.
Exercise.
Get up.
Exercise.
Oh, Noah. Are you awake?
No.
No. You're sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh, Noah. You awake? Yoo-hoo. Noah.
Yeah.
Are you awake? Yoo-hoo. You awake? Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Wake up. Are you awake? Let's go get Zoe.